And Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 2. Resource pack page number 13 and 14, word problem, addition and subtraction. First of all, kids, you have to write your name and date here. Addition, word problem. Now you have these word problems and there is the space for work or extra work, rough work. So you have to solve the question on your workspace and write the answer here. Now first question is, in a school there are 458 boys and 424 girls. Find out the total number of students in this school. Remember one thing, when you find a question with total, add, sum and these type of words, so it's mean the question is addition. You have to add or find the sum of the questions. Now we have 458 boys, we have written here, and 524 girls. Now find the total number of kids or students. Now add 8 plus 4. When you will add them, the answer will be 12. You will write 2 here and give 1 to the next value. Always remember you have 12. Always remember this thing. You will write unit or ones here and always give the tens value to the carry. Now 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then the answer is 982 are the total students in this school. Part 2, Maria got rupees 325 from her father and rupees 289 from her mother. How much money does she have now? We have to add them. So we will write 325 rupees and then 289 rupees. 289 rupees. Simply you find the total amounts or values in the questions, add them here. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. We will write 4 and give 1 carry to the next value. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Same process, we will write 1 and give 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now she have rupees 614. Question number 3. Rehan played a card game and scored 453 points in the first round and 637 points in the second round. How many points did he scored at the end of the game? Now he played 2 rounds. In first round he get 453 points and then 637. Write 453 points, 637 points. Add them. I want you to solve it by your own self because you know the addition and also the addition of carrying. Now the answer is 9 and then 10. This is the answer. Now there are other 2 questions. The answer is 370 and the last one have the answer 632. Try to solve these both questions by your own self to check out you know how to add them. Now kids, you have another page number 14, the same word problem but it has addition and subtraction both. Write your name here and then date. Question number 1. Danish sold 120 pizzas on Monday. He sold 145 pizzas on Tuesday. How many pizzas in total did he sell on the both days? Now the question is about total, so we will add them. 120 pizzas and then we will write 145 under the 120. When we will add them, the answer will be 265. How? 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now he have sold 265 pizzas at all. Part 2. Jamshed brought 267 apples on Wednesday. On Friday, he brought 145 more apples than Wednesday. How many apples did he buy on Friday? Now, get the concept. Jamshed brought 267 apples on Wednesday. On Friday, he brought 145 more apples than Wednesday. So, there are nothing clear how many apples he sold on Friday. So, to find it, we will subtract it from 267. The answer will be, when you will subtract 5 from 7, the answer will be 2. Again 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 1 minus from 2 is answer is 1. 122 apples. Then the question number 3. There are 287 mango trees in the big garden. 135 of them bear fruits. How many mango trees do not bear fruit? Now again, this question is a subtraction. 287 mangoes divided by 135 mango trees. The answer will be 152 trees.